a viewer sent a question, and how would she go about selling coins as a side hustle to purchase more inventory for her own self. Pretty much what I'm doing right now, as I am saving money, I'm also trading coins here and there, trading up. You can't go wrong taking a profit. I purchased 3 ounces of rhodium within the last, like 4 years ago. 3 years ago, I purchased 3 ounces of rhodium. Well, as I mentioned, I sold one on the channel, and I purchased a couple of pcgs certified $2.50 Indians. I just sold another 1 ounce Pam Swiss bar of rhodium for $18,000. By the way, when I sold it, you want to talk about premiums. When I sold it, it was still below the offer, but the bid was $17,000. The offer was $19,000, and I listed it for $18,000, thinking it wouldn't even sell. All of a sudden, cha-ching! It sold. The person that paid instantly. What I did with the funds, I kept it in the same sector, so to speak, and I took it out of rhodium, and I'm putting it in gold. Not because I think gold is going higher faster than rhodium. If I had to pick one of them, I guess I might pick palladium. That's the one I would probably pick. However, this is easy to sell, and that's one of the things I have to be concerned with. To me, this is not little. These are not small amounts of money. By no means are they large amounts of money, but they're not tremendously small amounts of money. So I want to make sure that when it's time to liquidate, I don't have a problem. So if I make a deal with someone, they say, yeah, you have to come up with the money. I want to be able to liquidate. And the quickest thing that I know that I can liquidate are these right here, the American Eagles. And what you have in front of you right now is 47 ounces. 47 ounces, I believe we have in front of us right now, because the 1/10, the whole roll of 1/10, 5 ounces. The quarter are 10 ounces, I believe. And then the half ounces, there's 40 of them, so it's 20 ounces. I hope I'm right on this. And then we have 12 1-ounce coins right now. So we're shy another 8 to fill up the roll. And in business, sometimes there is peaks and valleys. And right now we're at a peak because I was able to purchase. Let me zoom in. So now I only paid $4,000 for that rhodium bar. So basically, for $4,000, I end up turning it into 9. Well, you only see 8 here, but 9. And if you notice, I'm not really throwing them across the room, because I do get a lot of messages from a lot of different viewers. And to keep it real, and to out of respect for some of the OGs in this industry, or some of the old original YouTube channels, sometimes they don't like when I throw them. So out of respect, there's no reason for me to get on someone's bad side. Let them enjoy the videos. And I'm not a tough guy. I don't have to throw the coins. I could throw them if I want. I don't have to, so it's all good. So now let me put them together and see what we have. We have a good one. Is the subs I have are fantastic. So I appreciate every single person that's a sub, and I really appreciate those who comment, and we talk business and so on and so forth. And a lot of us have been saving a lot of money. I mean, you've watched right now this 55 ounces of Eagles that we have right here in front of us. So there it is. We have 55 ounces. And it's not only me. For those of you that are following me and you went on the exact journey as me, or very similar journeys, every one of us are socking it away. So good for every one of us. And I know it hasn't been an overnight process, and we're not done here just because we were fortunate enough for me to sell a rhodium bar to be able to basically leapfrog and almost fill the entire roll up, or a little more than half the roll. But I didn't want to leave the market totally, so that's the reason why I went into I put it in there. I wish it was all new money that I was able to buy it, and it was basically new money because I only paid $4,000 for that bar, and that we sold for $18. So I took that money and transferred it right over to that. Now there's one other coin that I purchased, which I haven't shown yet, which I'm going to show you. But I'd like to zoom in on these so we can get a good look at them, because I know these things are absolutely beautiful. I mentioned peaks and valleys. There's a good chance this could have went the totally opposite way. I didn't know what I was buying when I bought rhodium. However, sometimes you take risks. And I bought palladium, rhodium without any investment knowledge on it. Just got lucky. Just curious how you would figure out your cost average on those 9 1-ounce coins that you bought, that I just bought, that I really paid $4,000 for. However, I want to know in the comments what you guys think I should start stacking next. It's going to be either the buffaloes or the platinum coins. So let me know in the comments what you think. I already started. I'm not going to waste any time. So we already received one. We already purchased one buffalo. Look at it sitting there like a boss. So, and I also purchased a Statue of Liberty as well, but it's going to come in like March 4th or something. These 1-ounce coins I actually picked up February 28th. I paid $19.54 each for the 1-ounce eagles, and I paid $19.63 for the buffalo. So all of them cost me altogether $17,598 for 8 eagles and 1 buffalo. And if you got all 9 together, $1,955.34 is the cost average on all 9 of them. So right there we have 56 ounces of gold. For every 100 points that gold moves up, that's $5,600. Every 100 points gold moves down, that's minus $5,600 in your account. So hopefully, I know it's easier said than done, but hopefully it trades a little lower while I'm buying these buffaloes. And then in a perfect world, they obviously go up before we sell to buy property. You know, it's funny, I was reading something. They said if we took all the money in the world, which is anywhere between $5 trillion to $80 trillion. The CIA says it's $80 trillion, and the Banks for International Settlements, they say it's $5 trillion. So, and there are roughly around 7.6 billion people in the world. So if we took the money and redistributed it equally to every single person in the world, within 50 years, they said the money would find its way back to where it came from originally. Because you can give, let's say, a poor person money, and their poor habits has not changed. So it's the habits they have. It's poor habits more than anything monetary. So it's very important just to stick to the same habits. Get in the habit of putting a little bit away over time. It all adds up. So guys, we did it. We filled up the entire 4 rolls of the eagles. Now we're working either on the buffaloes, or we're going to be working on the platinum coins. Whatever you guys think we should do, I'm going to do. And have a great day.